Okay, we got one more request here. This is number 49 out of 1.2. And we have a function f of x is x times e to the x. And we're asked to look at a graph of y equals 1 over x to find the limit as x goes to infinity and negative infinity. So we are after the limit as x goes to infinity of this function, and we are after the limit as x goes to negative infinity of this function. But we are asked to do this by considering f of 1 over x. So let's take a look at that real quick. So as x goes to infinity, what does 1 over x do? So we know this graph. I don't think we need to head to Desmos for this one. So this graph behaves like that. So this is y equals 1 over x. Now, as x goes towards infinity, this is way on out here, we have y is 1 over x approaching the y value of 0, and it's approaching the y value of 0 from the right. So 1 over x goes towards 0. I'm going to say from the right. Really, since it's a y value approaching, it's kind of from the top, but that's what we're looking at here. And then as x goes to negative infinity, so as x goes this way towards negative infinity, then 1 over x is approaching 0 again, but it's approaching it from the bottom of y equals 0, so it's approaching from the left. Okay, with that in mind then, the limit as x goes to infinity of f of x is the same as the limit as x goes to 0 from the right of f of 1 over x. And the limit as x goes to negative infinity of f of x is the same as the limit goes to 0 from the left of f of 1 over x. So let's take a look at the graph of both f and f of 1 over x and see if we can get ourselves a nice answer for both of these. So over to Desmos. Here is the graph of f of x, but I'm going to graph y equals f of 1 over x. And let's just take a look at that one. So here we are in red, and we know that we're after the limit as x goes to 0 from the right. That's the equivalent for x goes to infinity. As x goes to 0 from the right, we see that this function goes up, 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 grows without bound. So this is going to be infinity. And then as we go towards 0 from the left, a little bit of a different action. It looks like this curve is approaching 0. Yeah. So for this one, we have 0. And those are the answers we are after. We just did it by taking a look at the graph of f of 1 over x as x goes towards 0, rather than the graph of f of x as x goes towards infinity or negative infinity. Hope that helped.